So, of course, I was like, do tell. Because, I mean, who doesn't want to know laundry hacks and laundry tips? Hey, y'all, and welcome to Hot Chocolate Chat. Today I'm drinking a water. I want to talk about laundry. How do you get it done? I feel like I look a little puffy today. I don't know why. Also, I just let my hair dry just however, and that's how it's going to look today. But I am getting my hair colored, so. I was reading a post on Facebook, and this friend of mine was saying that she had discovered the secret to getting laundry done. So, of course, I was like, do tell. Because, I mean, who doesn't want to know laundry hacks and laundry tips? Do you see the situation we're going to be dealing with until I go to the hairdresser? Anyways, Jana, fix this mess. Anyway, so she said that she just gets it done like one day. Like, wash, dry, folded, iron, put up all in one day. I'm like, there's only 2 of us in our house right now, aside from the cat who doesn't have laundry. And we don't get it done in one day. Of course, now I only have one washing machine. So, like if you go to the laundromat, maybe you could get at least the washing and drying done in one day, but I don't know about ironing. And before you say anything, no, I don't do the ironing. Marvin does. But, I mean, I just don't know. Like, that'd be all day. That'd be an all day thing. Marvin does the majority of our laundry, but when I do it, I like to do lights and whites, and then I do darks and colored clothes, and then I do jeans, and then like linens. And when I say linens, I just mean like bedding, towels, stuff like that, you know. But anyway, how do you do laundry? Let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me know. And do you get it done all in one day? Do you go to the laundromat and just like laundromat it? What is that? Go to the laundromat and get it done in all in like one day? Is that even a goal like for you to have? It would be kind of nice to say like, hey, it's Wednesday. I already did all the laundry for the week. So I'm good. But that's what I wanted to talk about today. So air all your laundry, dirty laundry with me. Let me know what you do. If you want to follow me on Snapchat, it's sideofawesome. And on Instagram and YouTube, it's Our Gray House. But just don't follow me in real life, though. Because that's